Alright guys, so in this quick demo video, I'm gonna show you an overview of this amazing platform. Viral Dashboard is an all-in-one platform to find, create, strategize, and share your content across all social media, e-com stores, video platforms, and blog channels, okay? So you can connect and manage your accounts, as many accounts as you want in the Content Connector tab. For example, here you can connect RSS feeds, social media channels, e-com stores, video platforms, and blogs, WordPress, blogs as well. Okay, you can also create, schedule, and publish, you know, your content all over the place. Extract information, discovering trends, automating your posting in one click. Okay, and we have a special sophisticated technology to do that, which is this one right here, but I'll walk you through very soon. Okay, so for example, RSS feeds connect. Basically, you can connect and syndicate as many RSS feeds here as you want. Okay, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm not gonna show you now because otherwise it's gonna take me like too long, but I'm gonna show you a quick walkthrough. Okay, so social media connect right here. You can connect all your social media accounts and plan all your posting from here. Okay, as you can see, this one are all the social networks that you can connect: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, which is coming soon. E-com, you can connect e-com stores as well. For example, if you have Shopify stores, WooCommerce, Etsy, Magento, and also Dropshiply. Okay, we're gonna have Dropshiply here as well. Several different e-com platforms. Okay, so video, you can connect your video channels as well. So any account you have with YouTube, Vimeo, Multiview, yes, because we have also our video hosting platform, and also Dailymotion and Wistia as well. Okay, these two are coming soon, by the way. Okay. Blog Connect, here you can connect several different blogs, okay, like WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Tumblr, and Reddit. Okay, we're gonna add probably many more in the future. Okay, and you can manage all your blogs, you can post, share, read all your content here. Okay, now moving on, we have the content discovery. Basically, you're going to search and discover the best and relevant content based on your topics of interest, okay, in real time. So like for example, you can like from thousands of different high quality sources, you can discover any type of content you want: articles, images, GIFs, topics, videos, memes, and quotes that your audience will love. Okay, so all you have to do is come here. We have two tabs: websites and tools. In websites, you can type any niche you want. Okay, like for example, you can enter any keyword and it's gonna give you the best content on the web. It's gonna search through the web. Okay, from we have 2,500 sources right now, which are categorized in 200 plus categories that you can see here. You can just delve into this and search anything you want. Okay, we will display basically all the websites related to your niche. Okay, we also have the tools tab, which I think this is gonna be phenomenal for you because it's gonna give you all the tools, software, apps, products in any niche you like. Okay, so just enter a niche and all the results will show up here. Okay, so for example, let's say you are creating like a software and you wanna spy, like on the software related to your niche. You come here, you type, software, anything like the specific name, the niche, and then all the software for that niche will show up right here. Okay, and we have a ton of different, look at here how many pages we have, like almost 1,000. So no, actually we have like 8,700 plus results, so it's massive. Okay, now next quickly, oh, and by the way, here, yeah, you can see your sources here. You can see the feeds, you can see anything. Okay, let's go back. Content creator, this is like basically the most advanced and sophisticated feature inside Viral Dashboard. It's basically your content composer. Okay, so I'm gonna click on Content Composer, which will allow you to compose all the posts, all the content that you want to post on your social media. Okay, so you don't need to log into your social media channels separately to post something. Okay, you just come here in Viral Dashboard in the Composer and you will do it right here. Okay, this is the beauty of it. So you have 4 tabs, as you can see: Compose Post, Select Accounts, Customize, and Publish Post. In Compose Post, basically you are going to create your content here. Okay, so give me 1 second because, okay, right here, you're going to create your content here. Anything like you want, you will type it here. Okay, and you can do a bunch of different things. On the left, you can upload anything you want, like images, videos, GIFs, memes. We have also a quotes finder, okay, which is gonna give you like all the quotes of the web. Okay, and this is great like for Facebook inspirational posts, those type of posts. It's great. Okay, images right here. Actually, we have our own library, so you can upload as many images as you want. Video uploader, this is gonna be pretty nice. You can just type a niche here, okay, and then it's going to give you like all the videos related to your niche that you can post online. Okay, we also have, by the way, well, actually, to upload, you just come here and you drop the files right here. Okay, the images. We also have like a smileys and hashtags for brands and products. Okay, we have like this one is pretty cool, like especially for Facebook. You can select as many smileys as you want, and also hashtags. This is great for brands and products, and you can also shorten your links. Okay, kind of like bit.ly. Because this way your links will be tracked. You'll be able to track the performance, click engagement, how many people have clicked on your links, etc. Okay, now after you have composed your post, next step is select your social media accounts. Okay, so I'm gonna be clicking next, like quickly to show you. You select your accounts here, and then you customize, okay, your post. Basically, this one it's gonna give you like the you can check if your post will pass Twitter and Facebook's text ratio requirements. Okay, after you are done, you just click next and you will publish your post. Okay, so you have three options: publish now, schedule post, and save draft. Okay, publish now, obviously it's gonna publish now. Schedule, you can schedule it at a later time if you want, whatever, and then you can also save it as draft. Okay, so this was the Composer in a nutshell. I'm doing it very quickly, guys, so I just want to give you a quick understanding of the platform. Okay, now let's go back 1 second. Post Manager, I'm gonna be very fast right now. Post Manager, it's right here at the top. You can also click it right here. Now this one, you're going to see all your scheduled published posts and drafts as well. Okay, and you can see everything in your dashboard. Whatever you create with your Composer or post, whatever you post on social media, it will show up right here. Okay, so see how beautiful this is. You can pretty much check everything, you know, select your brands, the post type, okay, and also, you know, the social media account. Okay, pretty easy stuff, nothing complicated. Brands Manager, which is right here, same thing almost. You will manage all your brands here. Okay, you can also add brands right here, anything related, and I mean that's related to your niche, you will add it here. Source Manager at the top, okay, right here. This is you can see different types of social accounts that you have connected. Okay, if you have connected YouTube accounts, RSS feeds, ecom platforms, Shopify, you will see all that here. Okay, which is pretty nice. So moving on, let's go into the Spy Tools section. Now this dashboard offers you 5 different tools. Okay, Facebook Interest Explorer, this is great for finding, enter any keyword here, okay, anything you want, and then the tool is going to give you unlimited targeting interest for your ads. Okay, so you just type a niche, like let's do an example, like in this case hunting. Okay, so I type hunting, and Viral Dashboard is gonna give you all the targeting interests for your ads. Okay, we thought it was pretty cool to add it, so we just added. As you can see, it gives you like the exact audience size. There's a ton of, you know, interest that you can use for your ads. If you do Facebook ads, this is gonna come in handy. Okay, so and also moving on, we have the YouTube video finder. Pretty much the same thing. You enter a niche, it's gonna give you like the most popular videos on YouTube. The Trend Hunter Spy, this is great to spy, discover trends every day from all over the world, and also posting stuff because, you know, posting stuff that is currently trending helps you get a lot of engagement. Okay, so Alexa Site Spy right here, this is like a tool to spy, actually to discover traffic stats and global rankings of millions of websites around the world, so you can exploit untapped markets. Okay, so that's the goal, because when you post something on social media, you want to be you know, current. So, and this is always good to stay up to date with what's going on out there in your niche and in the world. Okay, so moving on now, the social automation triggers. Now here, guys, we have created a highly specialized technology inside Viral Dashboard called social automation triggers, which basically what this does is going to completely schedule and automate the publishing of your content to your social media accounts, e-com stores, blogs, video platforms in one click, okay, literally. And I'm gonna show you shortly. So for example, if you click on, let's say I click on WordPress, okay, this is like the WordPress trigger. So if you scroll down below, what you see here, you see that it's going to connect your WordPress blog, okay, and auto schedule and publish to social media, right? So you can do this, basically it's going to automate your, let's say that you post every day to your blog, okay? If you select this trigger, it's going to pick the latest content from your connected blog and post it to your social media as soon as you write and publish on your blog, okay? It's gonna do it automatically, okay? So you don't have to do anything on your side. And we don't have only WordPress, obviously, we also have e-com to social media, which means that you can connect your e-com platforms, like we have Etsy, eBay, we have Shopify, and we're gonna have also, we have WooCommerce, Magento, and Dropshiply. We're gonna add them as well, okay? And also RSS feeds. We have video platforms as well. You can automate pretty much everything. So in this case, video, let's say when you upload a new video on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or Motvio, okay? Motvio is our platform, so that video will be uploaded to your social media channels automatically, okay? So we have also e-com platforms. You can connect your e-com accounts, your stores, and automatically publish to your e-com stores in one click. So let's say you have an e-com store, okay, and you add a new product to your store, and you want that product to be posted on your social, on your store channel or your social media. It will be automatically published to your social media channels, okay? So basically you add it to your store, and Viral Dashboard is gonna add it to your social media account automatically, okay? So RSS feeds, you can also connect any RSS feed from any blog type that is not WordPress as well, okay? So as I showed you previously, like in this case, let me select this one. This trigger will connect, any RSS feed. So if you go back, if you remember in the blog here, if you don't have a WordPress blog, you can just connect like any one of this, like Tumblr, Reddit, Medium, Blogger, and then it's going to automate your posting automatically, okay? We also have content sources to social media, which basically are quotes right here, okay? You can automatically schedule and publish all your quotes, memes, GIFs, images automatically to any social media channel in one click, okay? So you simply schedule the date and time and the type of content that you want to schedule, and the Viral Dashboard is going to publish it automatically, okay? Post it automatically. So to automate your posting, let me show you quickly how it works, okay? So WordPress, I select WordPress. All you have to do is go here, connect, okay? And then you just connect your social media, your channel, okay? So in this case, let's do trigger quickly just to show you, okay? Trigger number one, then I select, this is like my Facebook page, okay? So in this case, I select this one, I create the trigger, and then what it does is going to show you like the posting schedule. Like you can select the day, the date, and then also the time, okay, and the date, exactly when you want to schedule your posting, okay? And it's going to automatically do it for you. So if you select your posting schedule, let's say it's gonna be like till February 3rd, it's going to post automatically till February 3rd, okay, without you doing anything pretty much, okay? So you select your feeds right here, and then you save, and it's going to automate your posting, okay? Now, social deck, I want to show you here. The social deck, it's pretty cool because it's like a timeline for your social media channels. It's where Viral Dashboard provides the social monitoring of your channels. Whatever content you're posting on social media, everything will be monitored here. So you have 4 different tabs: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Basically, it gives you all the engagement. If I select this one on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, you can see how your posts are converting, the likes on Facebook, the comments, shares, and also the same thing with Twitter. You can see how much love your tweets are getting. Okay, and same with Instagram, and you can manage the engagement of your brands, products, services, anything. Okay, so this is like, obviously you have to select like a Twitter account. Okay, so we have several here like Motvio and others, and I can check pretty much everything. Okay, like monitoring and analytics, basically here it's like much more advanced. And what this does is that it does like several different things. You can actually connect your Google Analytics account, okay, and you can also basically track, you know, the traffic and everything. So if I select this one, give me 1 second, because yeah, you can select your Google Analytics account right here. You can connect your account, and then it's gonna track your traffic here. Okay, so it looks like I have it connected already. Yes, and then we have also the social inbox, social mentions inbox, which is pretty cool. What this does is that you can stay on top of conversations on key topics. You can track basically the performance of your post, brand mentions, monitor competitors, and see how many messages you received and reply directly from Viral Dashboard. Okay, so let's say you monitor a particular brand and you make a post. If you get featured somewhere in their comments, you will get or mentioned, you know, you will get a notification inside your social inbox here, Viral Dashboard, that somebody mentioned you. Okay, you can go to Viral Dashboard and see how people engage with your published content. You can also check social analytics here. Okay, which basically it does it on every social network, like Facebook, we have Twitter. You can track everything here in your inbox. Okay, so you can reply directly here from Viral Dashboard. Okay, so when someone likes your Facebook posts or mentions you on any of the posts that you posted, Viral Dashboard is going to send you a notification, and you can take up the conversation from there here. Okay, and I think it's pretty nice. See, for example, this is like a post that we actually published, and we had some comments, some messages, so we are replying from here. You can also click on here, and it's going to create a new email. Like if you want to send them emails, you can do that as well. Okay, you are going to get a ton of analytics about your Twitter tweets, retweets, comments, Facebook, you know, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest insights as well. Okay, so there's a ton of different stuff, and you can also add the labels if you want. Okay, and now we have also, you can also add the Google Search Console if you want inside Viral Dashboard, so you can track even more stuff. Okay, and also for the rest, like we have like social analytics here, which is basically what I showed you previously. Okay, you'll be able to track everything about, you know, your specific accounts. Okay, your channels. So let's say, for example, Motvio. Let's select Motvio quickly. Okay, yeah, here you can check like everything: page impressions, page engaged users, fans. These are social analytics about it's your tracking. Okay, monitoring and analytics, tracking, all that stuff. You will be able to track everything about your social media posts here. Okay, it's pretty nice. And also we have agency. This is like if you want to run it as an agency or resell it as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed.